Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'll show you how to manage music playback on Realme Watch S5. So, if you start playing something on your phone like on Spotify or any streaming platform or save music, do that. I'll turn the volume down so it's not interrupting me. As you will see, if I slide from left to right on the home screen, I can find music. I can click on it now and manage it. I can click on the volume button to change the volume. I could also go back to the previous track or to the next track. Just like so. That is super easy. It's not going back because I don't have the premium on Spotify. Never mind. I can skip, pause, play. It works instantly and fine. Everything is all right here. If you don't see the widget here, I think you can edit it by scrolling and adding or removing them. You can also find it in apps if you press on the crown again. Go to the app screen and find this music app. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.